Most Jamaicans say they would not accept money or other benefits to vote. The data was obtained from the recent RJRGleaner Don Anderson polls, which interviewed 1,008 registered voters across all parishes. When asked if they would accept money or other benefits not to vote, 8% of respondents said yes, 88% said no, and 3% not sure. Voters were also asked if they would accept money or other benefits to vote. 15% said yes, 82% said no, and 2% not sure. The RJRGleaner Don Anderson poll was done on August 2 to 11 and has a margin of error of plus or minus 3%.